Hi everyone, good morning. And here I'm going to start my breakfast. So I was thinking just let you see guys what I eat in breakfast. So yeah, here you can see I have Manuka honey right here. Okay, I will change the camera and then you can see the real food. So here is my food, and as you can see, Manuka honey 5 plus. This is Convita. This is just small bottle local honey. So on my table always have honey and it's part of my diet. And here I want to show you how I eat. So let's open the box of the Manuka honey from New Zealand, the best honey in the world. And you can see the thickness. Oh, nice aroma coming to my nose, and wow, you can see it's very thick and it comes slow. Here the temperature, hold on, I will show you the temperature. Here my room temperature is 29.4 and 77 humidity. And normally, you know, the honey when it's put in the fridge it get hard, I mean more thicker because it's cold. And hot weather it become more runny, you know, thin. So you see the temperature in my room is almost 30 centigrade. It's not cold actually, it's slightly hot. But here you can see the honey coming out like very thick. Here I can show you here. Wow, this is the real stuff. This is the real honey, pure from New Zealand, Manuka honey. Hurdles. I this brand is also a little new, but it's very nice. And the good thing is I get cheaper because it's not that famous. Like Convita is more expensive, Manuka Health is more expensive because it's more old and famous. And this is like a caramel, like a candy, but the taste is more nicer than that. Okay, what I'm going to do is, here you can see I'm going to put on the pancake here like this. Okay, I will take the white one so you can see the color more nice way. And what I'm doing, I just do like this. Actually 1 spoon not enough. I will not recommend you cannot put all pancakes, otherwise yours. Mostly this is 1 kg bottle, as you can see. Mostly people hardly buy 500 gram or 250 gram and they just eat very little bit, like hardly 1/2 spoon or 1 spoon. But for my pancake, more than 1 spoon is, even 1 spoon also not enough. And then here I add little Convita plus. And 10 years I didn't go any doctor, no hospital. Little bit I add this local mixture of Convita, Manuka honey. Okay, now you can see almost more than 1 spoon, 1.5 spoon already. And the next step, Manuka honey breakfast or Manuka honey recipe. Okay, the down one I'm going to place here just like this. Okay, now this is kind of pancake Manuka honey pie. So yeah, let me try. Okay, I'm going to try and make a video because one hand difficult to. Okay, so here is, now I'm going to try that. Very delicious. As you can see, all honey. mix up. So technically, if I finish this pan with this pancakes, so almost 3 to 4 spoons honey I will consume. Very delicious taste. I hardly to talk. Here you can see the both bottles. So that's my breakfast. And no matter, sometimes pancakes, sometimes I use bread, but the honey is a part of my life. I get sick, I get sore throat, I get fever, I get diarrhea, sometimes whatever. This is normal things. But I use honey only. Honey since 10 years almost I am using honey, and I didn't go any doctor. I if I sick I will use honey also. I eat more faster. I mean every 2 hour, 3 hour, 1 spoon, 2 spoon, and within 1 to 2 days all sickness gone. And from here I want to show you, this is my workspace. Here I sit and play some games, edit my video, and this is the view from my window outside. Such a beautiful sunny weather. And here's my bedroom, my workspace, my workshop, whatever you say, and this is the view from my bedroom. So you have to know a little bit about my lifestyle. You can't see the hill because the cloudy weather. Actually there's a lot of hills. I mean beautiful hills, nice view, but currently because of cloudy weather you can't see that. And here is my bedroom, and I just sit here and have a beautiful view, and I have another view from this window also. So my bedroom have two views, but this one mostly I close and this one mostly I open, and small balcony, can sit outside and can have a great look. Hope you like it. See you.